Here we can see aerial photographs of three-phase induction motor. So if you see the construction of three-phase induction motor, the outer part actually this is stationary. So we call it stator. So here three-phase supply, that is R, Y and B is given as the input, and here this part, the middle portion, this part is your rotating part. And we call it rotor. So mainly one is stationary part, the outer surface, this portion is stationary part, we call stator, and the rotating part which in the middle we call it rotor. And this portion, this is connected to load, and we call it shaft. S-H-A-F-T, shaft. And what is there? If you draw the stationary part and in the middle the rotating part, there are some coils are there, the shaft portion, and this is N pole, this is S pole. The rotor is rotated the anti-clockwise directions, and three-phase supply is given to the field coil. So it works like an induction motor. One is stationary part, by supply is given, and by induced EMF in the coil placed in the rotor, EMF is induced in the rotor coil and it starts rotates due to torque. Three-phase induction motor is the most popular type of AC motor. So this one is the AC motor. This is AC motor. And it is very commonly used in industrial drives since it is cheap, robust, efficient and reliable. It has good speed regulations and very high starting torque. It requires no maintenance or little maintenance. So the three-phase induction motor essentially consists of two parts, the stator and rotor. The stationary part is the stator and rotor is rotating part, so we call it rotor. The stator is built up of high-grade alloy steel to reduce the eddy current loss. The lamination are slotted in the inner periphery and are insulated from each other. The rotor is also built up of thin lamination of the same material as in the stator, that is high-grade alloy steel. So this is the basic concepts of how does our three-phase induction motor looks. Please like, share, and subscribe.